In recent years, a curious trend has emerged: the rise of AI girlfriends. These digital damsels, promising emotional understanding and companionship, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. But, one must wonder, do they pose a threat to genuine human connections? Picture a virtual companion, ever-present, understanding your emotions, providing companionship, a form of digital solace. This is the allure of the AI girlfriend, a testament to our advancements in artificial intelligence. However, there's a flip side to this coin. As these AI companions become more realistic, concerns rise. Could these virtual relationships eclipse our real ones? Could our emotional needs, fulfilled by lines of code, endanger our human connections? Loneliness, an all too common affliction in our frantic world, can find temporary relief in these digital companions. They comfort, empathize, and make people feel valued. But can they truly replicate the shared experiences, the physical presence, the unpredictability that real relationships offer? As we stride into the future, the implications of AI companionship loom large. Are AI girlfriends a revolutionary solution to loneliness and emotional needs, or could they unintentionally obstruct our ability to form genuine human connections? Only time will tell.